Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. So on this video today, I am gonna show you guys my hospital bag. Yes, it's about time. I'm currently 37 weeks as I'm doing this video. So obviously any moment from now baby could be arriving, because you know, after 37 weeks the baby is ready to be born. So I thought, why not start packing my hospital bag? Because obviously my previous baby, he came 38 weeks and 3 days, I think. Yeah, because they were waiting for him to be 40 weeks. He didn't. He came whenever he wanted. And this baby right here is quite big. My tummy is almost like big to the full, like there's literally no more space for him to be there. So I know for a fact that 39 weeks maximum he will be here. So I thought, why not get everything ready, prepare myself, so that once he's here I don't need to be wasting time, you know, looking to get things. So pack my hospital bag, put it aside, get everything ready, and we're good to go. So if you want to see what I packed and everything that I'm gonna obviously need to go to hospital, let's get this video started then. In the UK hospitals, you don't get to stay long. You actually do stay maximum of 3 days. That's if you have you know, problem while you know, having the baby. They'll keep you 3 days maximum just to make sure that everything is fine. Even C-section, you don't actually stay long. So therefore I'm thinking that I am not gonna stay long. Fingers crossed everything goes well. So I've just packed minimal things, but if at any point, if anything happens, but God forbid, I need more items, then my husband can go and get the things I need. But right now this is all I've got. So everything I've got is mine, the baby, and obviously toiletries and stuff that I'm gonna need. So yeah, let's get started. You can see I've got whole bunch of Pampers Premium Protection Babies, the jumbo pack. I actually got this from a friend. Basically her baby grew out of it really fast and she didn't need it anymore, so I was gonna buy it and she was like, no, you can have this. So this is saving me a lot of money, because babies actually do outgrow number one, nappy very fast. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and grab me about, let's just say 10 pieces, but I don't think I'm gonna need up to 10. But I'm gonna just for, you know, precaution measures, I'm gonna grab about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's all I'm gonna go with. And this is my bag, because the last time I had a massive bag, I had so many things. I ended up didn't use, you know, I ended up not using a lot of the things that I took. So this bag will do me just fine. It's got about 3 different compartments, so I'm gonna put everything I need: baby stuffs, toiletries, and this side, no sorry, baby stuffs, my stuff, toiletries. So yeah, that's gonna be just about perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pack the nappies away. That one is put away. Then I'm gonna go through the baby stuff first, then I'll show you what I've got for myself. So I don't know if you guys know about this. Water wipes is like wipes basically. When it comes to a newborn baby, you want to be using this. It's pretty much like cotton board and water, or cotton wool. What did I just say? Cotton wool and water. So yeah, perfect for a newborn baby. So I thought I'll get one of it, you know, for a start. So that goes in the bag. And I've got this cute little, can you see it? It says baby brother, that I customized for my baby. So from Shane. So basically the big brother is gonna give it to the little brother. So it's gonna be just so cute, nice little gift. I don't know why it can't focus, but yeah, I got this, so I thought, why not? I'm gonna put it in. And then I've got a few I don't know what you call it, like a nice little trouser with the top to go. So I'm just gonna get about 3 or 4 pairs of clothing, just because I know he's not gonna need all of it, because the last time I did not use that much. I packed so much, but I didn't use half of it. So because the weather's hot as well, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be hot by the time I'm ready to obviously have the baby. So I thought I'd take stuff like this, like nice little like sleeveless sleeps. I don't even know what they're talking about anyways. So I've got these. I've got about, this one goes with this one because it's all the same design, and so I've got about 2 of these. That should be good enough. Then I've got this one that's got the hand with this. Baby will wear if need be. Yeah. And I've got this overall, that's a slip suit, or yeah, something like that, that says born in 2018. How beautiful is this? So yeah, I'm definitely gonna take that. It's probably what he's gonna wear the first time. So yeah, I've got that. And then last but not least, I've got this little blue cute one as well. I think it's just for just newborn baby, you know. So cute. And that's all I've got regarding baby clothing. I had issue with my breastfeeding, my nipple. Sorry for the TMI, but obviously I have to talk about it. But yeah, it was hurting so much and I couldn't deal with. So they gave me this. I know pretty much most of you know this. So this was the holy grail that saved me. So this is where I have to obviously take a lot, because they do give you little sachets in the hospital, but that's not enough. So I'm gonna take this one because this is perfect. The baby can eat through it as well. No need to wipe it off or anything. So it's perfect. So it's like £10, this little thing here. So expensive. And then I've got a bit of a tiny little Sudocrem, you know, that they give you when you from the Emma's Diary kind of thing. So these little stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the side of the bag just because there's a lot of space there. Then for muslin, I'm gonna grab I'm taking about 2 muslins, just so you know, if you want to carry the baby or you want to lay the baby down in the hospital bed, you could just put this down before you put the baby down. So 2 of these will be perfect. Then I've got these beautiful, I think it's like a rabbit outfit kind of thing with a nice little pom-pom at the back. It's like, you know, for baby's face portrait that they take at the hospital. So I thought this would be perfect for it. So I'm going to take this in case baby needs to take a picture for him to dress in to get his face picture. That would be so cute. Then coming home, I know it's going to be hot. It's summertime, but you just never know. So I'm going to take this, you know, just in case. I know that looks like a baby already. But yeah, I'm going to take this, and if he's cold for some reason or whatever, then you know that the baby is nice and wrapped up. So that one I'm going to put aside. And so with the outfit, what I thought is, I think this would look so cute together if baby could wear this with his nice little Timberland. How cute are them? It's like a newborn baby, and there's a heart for it, so if need be, then I can put the heart on as well, you know, just to go together, and that would be absolutely beautiful. Then I'm just taking just 1 blanket, you know, just to cover up to cover the car seat or something like that, you know. That would just do me fine. And I just took extra Pampers wipes just in case, you know, I need to wipe things around or whatever. And over here I've got the towel wipes as well, just to clean up, you know, around you as you do things or whatever. And also I've got a dummy, which is like really important. You guys call it pacifier or binky or whatever, I don't know, but we'll call it dummy. This comes in handy so baby can start learning how to use it, because it is going to be really, really useful. So yeah, I've got that one. I'm going to put on this side. And that's it pretty much for baby. I have got in here, I've got this nice little Johnson's wash bag kind of thing that I'm going to put everything I need inside. So I've got my this breast pad. You know, it's the same brand, the Lancino brand. It's really good. It lasts a long time. And I've got in this other it's like my husband's wash bag, but I might not use it, I don't know, but I thought I'd just take extra, you know, always. But I do like the flat ones, so I'm just gonna take both, whatever works for me. A toothbrush, I'm gonna get little toothpaste, you know, and all my toiletries and everything is just gonna go in there. For clothing, I've just got because it's hot weather, so I'll probably just wear a dress or a nice pair of, you know, tights with a top, something simple. I don't need to be too over the top, you know, because I'll be in pain. So the last thing on my mind is just be dressing up. So this is baby's nice little comforter that I got. So yeah, that's gonna be so cute for him as well. Then I've got my nursing bra. This brand is called Abesita. I think it's a Swedish brand. Don't know if you can see it. It's absolutely beautiful. Like, it's the most comfortable nursing bra I've ever come across. So I've got two of them, a white and a black one, perfect for breastfeeding. So I'm gonna go with that as well. And some briefs, you know, I've got some disposable ones, so I'm just gonna use and just get rid of and stuff like that. So yeah, and then I've got obviously baby's car seat that goes on the buggy directly, so from the car into the buggy, and with the clips that you just clip it on and it's easy to go. And yeah, that's it pretty much. Everything that I need for baby, I'm ready for hospital. But yes, guys, thank you. I thought I'd share you guys. If you have any other thing that you think might be relevant towards, you know, going to hospital and stuff, please don't forget to, you know, don't hesitate to comment down below and you know, share it with me so that I can maybe, you know, take it just in case I might need it. But so far I think that I've covered everything. But other than that, yeah, because some people don't say husbands need to bring stuff, but here in the UK, no, your husband comes and he goes home by 9 o'clock, he should be out of the hospital, so he's not going to be needing to stay over or whatever. So all he needs is just his phone to just sit there and just ring people, and that's it pretty much. So for myself, obviously I'm going to need my charger, my phone, obviously I'm gonna be videoing, so I'm gonna need my equipment. That's gonna be in a nice little compact bag, and that's it pretty much, guys. But yes, enough of my blabbing. I'm already out of breath. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.